The 5 mistakes that kill most herb garden. If your herbs keep dying, it is usually one of these simple mistakes. Mistake 1. Overwatering. Most herbs like the soil to dry slightly before watering again. Mistake 2. Using the wrong soil. Always use potting mix, never garden soil. Mistake 3. No drainage holes. Without drainage, roots rot quickly. Mistake 4. Too little sunlight. Herbs need the brightest location you can provide. Mistake 5. Planting mint in the ground. Mint spreads aggressively and takes over entire yards. Fix these simple issues, and your herb garden becomes almost effortless. Follow Path of Herbs for more beginner-friendly guides.